Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make delicious Singapore noodle stir fry, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So yeah, I have here yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrots, spring onions, sliced onions. I have here sliced garlic and ginger, 2 eggs. I also have here shrimp, curry and turmeric powder. I also have here roasted pork, and also rice vermicelli noodles. Now to a saucepan, I'll be putting the noodles in a lukewarm water to soak for only 1 minute, not more than 1 minute, and please don't boil it because the rice is very thin and we want to prevent it from breaking. So this is how it should look like, not breaking. Next, I'll be breaking the 2 eggs in a small bowl, and I'll add a pinch of salt. I'll be whisking it and set it aside. So for the sauce, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, also half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half a tablespoon of fish sauce, half a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, half a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and sesame oil. Next, to the shrimp, I'll add a pinch of salt, mix it and set it aside. So I'll start by adding a little bit of oil in the wok. And once it's heated, I'll add in the egg. I'll be stirring it and fry for a few minutes. I will now add the shrimp. I will be tossing it for a few seconds. Now leave it on the side. Next, I will add the roasted pork, toss it for a few seconds, and mix it all together. So I'm going to remove it and set it aside. I will add another oil and fry the ginger and garlic for a few seconds. Next, I will add the sliced onion and the carrots. So I'll continue to add the noodles. The roasted pork, shrimp, and eggs. And I'll stir it a little bit. I'll go ahead and add the soy sauce mixture. And the red, yellow, green peppers. Mix it very well. And lastly, I'll add the spring onion. And our noodle is done. It doesn't take so long. It's full of flavor, very delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. And also kindly subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next video.